I will tell you how you can earn up to $350 per week by playing games and taking surveys. You can withdraw your earnings using all payment methods. I have also added a Hustlers Community Discord server link in the description, where you will find video and text guides, support channels, and chat channels to connect with fellow hustlers to maximize your earnings. So first, join ySense using our link in the description, and then join the Discord server for more guidance and support. First, click the link in the description and head over to ySense. Use the link I provided so we can track your progress and help you better to make money. After this, you need to enter a valid email address and choose a strong password. Click sign up and you are registered. When you first enter ySense, go to the surveys section and complete the profile survey. This is important because you will get paid surveys based on these profile surveys. After this, you will receive featured offers from ySense that pay well, like $56, $32, $40, and more. There are plenty of offers available. You can choose featured offer walls where you will find more surveys and games to earn from. In these offer walls, make sure to complete your profile information correctly, such as date of birth, gender, zip code, or postal code. It's super simple. Offer wall partners have high paying offers like which offers 74 coins, 21 coins, and 27 coins, which are equivalent to dollars. Another partner is Torox, where you will find more offers, such as $53, and many offers like this. There are multiple offers to choose from, and you can pick any or multiple offers. Now head over to withdrawal section. Keep in mind there is also a play section where you will find more games, and these games pay well depending on your skill level. All offer walls and play section have both Android and iOS offers. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw using Payoneer, PayPal, and Amazon cash cards. Or you can withdraw amounts like $5, $10, and many other cash card options. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. New earning methods are coming soon with full support. Let's be successful together forever.